Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error, couldn't load with error code 1413003S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam, you're going to right click on Battlefield 6, go into properties, and then you're going to go into install files. Here you're going to click browse on the size of installation. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into this folder EA anti-cheat. Now you're going to right click on EA anti-cheat installer, click run as administrator, click yes on here, and here you're just going to click repair. And once you click repair, it's going to ask you for the location of the game. Click OK, and then go to your games directory. So the default directory should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Battlefield 6. Just click on Battlefield 6 and then click select folder, and after that it's going to repair the game. And once it's done repairing, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Battlefield 6, and you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error code 14 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.